A portable projector under $300 that delivers the sound experience of a $1,000 home theater. This is the A1s, an entry-level portable home theater projector. And today I'm putting its features to the test.
So, carrying case, just like this. Obviously the projector is going to be in here. This is almost like a foam hard cover. This unlocks, this snaps open. Got our quick start guide here, which gets you everything connected. We've got our power bank, which is going to be our extension cord. The other part that goes to the outlet, our remote control. And one of the things that I want to tell you about the remote control, it has hotkeys on it already. So almost everything does nowadays. But you've got a YouTube button, Netflix button, and Amazon Prime button right there. It also comes with batteries, which makes me so excited. I know that's not a big deal, but it is a big deal. I hate going to find batteries after the fact. And then I'll pull this guy out. This is the projector. Super easy. Sturdy metal handle on the top. Take everything out so you can see. Now, one of the things that they really tried to go for with the A1S, let me just move everything else out of the way. It's just the minimalist design. Heavy duty metal handle. Again, which you can move outside, huge lens. One of the things that we'll talk about when we actually show you the video footage is why this lens is so important.
This lens is quite special compared to other mini projectors in the same price range. It is equipped with glass lenses engineered for Flare Class 5, which delivers sharper details and higher frame rates. The TCL A1s features True Hue technology, which reproduces colors as naturally as they appear in real life. This makes the image easy on the eyes and reduces eye strain.
Sensor right here, which is going to help autofocus, auto color, auto brightness. You can see you have a mount right here on the bottom for a tripod. And then on the back right here, you've got headphone in, DC in, HDMI, USB-C, IR. Right there. So let's get you close up on there so you can see all those. Dual speakers. If I remember right, these are 8-watt speakers. We'll go into more details. 85-watt output. That's everything that's in the box. One cool things I really want to show you is you've got this touch screen right on the top, and this actually isn't a button. You can see right there, it's like an LCD below. Now, the other thing that I love is the multi-purpose handle right here, but also is your balance. So it's going to give you some tilt on the actual projector itself when you get it plugged in. So you can actually push this down and then the handle comes up and then you can just push it up and you can get that balance. So if your projector is a little bit higher or lower, depending on how you have it hanging, you can adjust that just by using the handle and pushing it down. We're still not dark enough yet, but all of your controls are actually right here. You've got a power down, a power button, plus, minus, OK. Directional, so you can see there. We're gonna wait for it to get a little bit darker. We'll go into more details, but you also have Dolby Audio, which is going to give you sound all the way around right here. Again, Dolby on this side, 8 watts on the speakers, and they'll actually put 85 watts out. Dual-sided speakers, so you don't have to bring anything else with your projector, just this. So give us a few minutes till it gets dark and we'll show you some footage. Okay, after you get everything connected, you're gonna connect it like it's an actual Google TV. So we'll have a Google TV number. It's going to basically connect to your home internet, whether you're using it inside or outside. You can see all the different apps that you have here. We've got inputs, we've got the dashboard, Prime Video, Netflix, YouTube, iMplayer. You can set up the Google TV where you can actually add more apps and different streaming services and different things like that. I'm actually going to change an input really quick. I'm going to turn off the lights. I'm just going to show you something straight from HDMI. I'm going to let you listen to the volume and watch. I'm going to do a couple different things. I'm going to try to at least. I'm going to do a little bit of a trailer. I'm going to do a sporting event so you can hear that. And then we'll probably do some video gameplay out here and put all of those together. And then I'll wrap it all up and I'll tell you about my final thoughts with everything. So far, this is absolutely fantastic. You can see everything is super clear, but you'll be able to see it even more when I turn off all of this backlight. All right, so this is the Dune 3 trailer. We're running through HDMI. Really what I want you to focus on the volume and then the crispness of the black. Dune is kind of a darker film, and I mean darker as in the way that it's filmed. And so you can see that we've got some ambient light from some of the things in our yard, but I'm actually just gonna have you. The fan noise is barely noticeable. Let me get a little bit closer. It's even quieter than a library, measuring just 26 decibels. This is thanks to its dual loop cooling system, which keeps the projector cool while maintaining an ultra low noise levels, the fan and the speakers. Things I love about this TCL is you're going to get your automatic keystone corrections so that every time you move the projector, and I'm just going to show you right here. So the projector's right here. We've got this touch screen right here on it. I'm just going to move the projector up. I will turn that backlight off in just a second. Need to be able to see what I'm doing. But if I block the whole thing, you'll see that I'm bleeding over here on the left, bleeding a little bit here on the right, but we've got a keystone here. It's going to do this. And the True Hue technology, which I talked a little bit about earlier, is going to actually focus everything on the mode. I am going to give you here a little bit of film. I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about this. You got Google TV integration. So as I go through the settings and the setup, I've got the remote control here. I can set up Google TV. I can set up basic Google TV. I am actually just going to switch this. You can actually set it up with the app right here. You just, there it is right there. You just scan this. It's connected with your Google Home apps, and then you can actually talk to the device as well. So I'm going to go through and go ahead and get this set up, and then we'll come back where I can actually show you some footage with some audio, listen to everything. We'll turn off the backlights, and we'll just watch maybe a minute or two of a trailer or something like that. Okay, here we go. We got a little MLS late night soccer. San Jose versus Vancouver, streaming straight from my computer. You can see crisp colors here. And again, take a little drink of water while he's doing it. We're bleeding just a little bit off the projector. You'll see that's going to go in and focus. Do the keystone mode.
Johnson, wide for Bruno Caicedo. This has been a fun matchup. Inside towards Johnson. Daniel Muni reads it well. Johnson, vicious counter pressure.
Turn down the volume just a little bit. We've got these touch controls right here on the screen, so you can see this, that we can adjust some of the things that we want.
Very quietly has just been reading the play from that right center back position.
So adjusting the volume right here.
I thought that should have been a foul right there.
Recentering on our projector. Okay, so when you're going to switch between modes, you can actually go to your settings. We'll pull up a little dashboard over here. And when we go to picture, you can adjust for vivid, movie, eye protection, game. So we're actually going to log on, play a little bit of a game right now on the Xbox. So we've showed you the movie trailer, a little bit of sports. Now we're going to jump into some video games. So here we are on the Xbox, jumping into Rocket League. Okay, we're jumping in, searching for a game. You can see right here, Dolby surround sound coming out. We're only at a 55 volume. So over here on the right, you can see the volume level.
The A1s uses a fully sealed light engine, which protects the core components from dust, extending its lifespan to 30,000 hours. Check the description below for an exclusive discount, especially during Prime Day, when you'll find the lowest price of the year.
Final thoughts on the TCL A1s. Absolutely fantastic for this mid to upper tier projector. You're going to get the True Hue, where it's going to give you true colors. You saw that in the gaming, you saw that in the trailer, you saw that in the sporting events. You've got surround sound, 85 watt on this side, 85 watts on this side. It does connect to Bluetooth. That's why the game was a little bit laggy. We were going Bluetooth there, but here are all your ports on the back. We showed you those in the unboxing. You've got this adjustable handle / stand, so when you push this all the way up, pull this out. Really, really, really easy to use, super lightweight. There's a few things that I just want to kind of go over to finish off with that. You saw the automatic keystone, the automatic adjustments. Again, it's going to register at your house as a Google TV. It'll have that in the app when you sign up and get everything registered. There may be a firmware or a hardware update over air once you get everything started. There are 4 preset modes. Again, you can see that you have gaming mode, cinematic mode, action mode, sports mode, different things like that. It does have the Dolby Plus audio, which we talked about. And you're gonna get that kind of 2.0 stereo sound with volume coming out of both sides. You do not need anything else. You could actually connect wirelessly to this. You could take this on camping trips outside, inside if you wanted to as well. That's one feature that I think I showed you right at the beginning. You can actually hang this down from the ceiling or put it on a tripod to have it project in a building or something else like that. Again, there is no extra devices unless you need to have them or want to have them. I was obviously streaming from a laptop. We plugged in an Xbox, and it is an absolute banger of a device. This is something that you can use at the office. This is something that you can use at home. This is something you can use for a girls' night out, for a camping trip, or anything like that. The ease and setup is it's just ready to go. You just take it, and the way that it's actually encased in that huge kind of styrofoam case with the locking cable, everything is protected, everything is good to go. Obviously, you can see that we have nighttime events out here. We have a pretty large patio projector screen that drops down. This is going to replace our previous projector, and we'll use this on a weekly basis. We have Friday night movie nights, sometimes Saturday night movie nights, or when we have sleepovers or people come over and park their cars in the grass for a drive-in theater experience. Just a super fantastic projector. Again, this is the TCL A1s portable projector. It is amazing.